No, my lifelong quote has been, "The journey of 1,000 miles begins with just a single step." That's been my
just get started.
Even if it's who says that you can start that step as many times as you need to. Like, who says it's just one and go?
How long ago did you hear that?
Oh, since high school.
Well, with that one step is just taking that step.
Yeah.
But some of those steps might be backwards. Some of those steps might be forward.
But that quote has always been my...
And people are afraid to go backwards in life, or to look to other people that they're going backwards in life, because they want to put on the front that they're doing better, they're doing good. But they don't want to take that step back to be able to move forward. Because they're taking that step back to go down like this slide that's going to make them go faster, but they don't want to do it. They want to just keep going and keep going up this steep-ass hill.
What motivates you to get better and improve yourself every day?
I think right now it's just me. Like, before, I'd be like, I'm doing it for these people, which I am, I'm always going to do it for my dad. He's up in heaven, I'm always going to do it for my family, my husband, my kids, not. But right now, it's about me. Like, I'm going to do it for me. Like, I'm at that point where I'm like, I've been through, everybody goes through their worst, their ups and downs. And I'm like, it's my time. Like, I'm doing this for me. So at the end of the day, I'm like, if I need to go out there and put a smile on and do all this and that, it's because of me, Like, I'm not going to do it for nobody else. It's because of me.
That's awesome. What motivates you, Erick?
There's a lot of things.
The main one.
One of the things that motivates me is just to not be that person that I was a year ago. I always want to keep improving myself, whether it's like in the business, like getting better at my skills or whatever, or just straight up just as a person, just being a better person, and just not falling back into those old habits that I had before. Because those old habits, they'll fuck you up, and they're called habits for a reason, because you've done it for so long, and it's easier to fall back into. And you got to be comfortable with being uncomfortable to be able to actually grow as a person. And that's one thing that I'm still not comfortable sometimes, but just going for it, like how you said, is like focusing on yourself, doing it for yourself. And then obviously you want to help out all these people, but it's like, you got to do it for yourself to be able to help out all these people. You can't be doing it for them. It's for yourself to help out everybody else.
Yeah, no, that's huge.
What about you?
Me, I mean, like you said, there's a list of them. There's a list of them. We can sit here. We just got deep, huh? One of my favorite quotes, and I think it hits dead on for me too. I mean, I have a lot of favorite quotes, if you guys haven't noticed. It's Conor McGregor. This is when he was like peak. He's like, you giving up on your dreams, you giving up on your life, on your potential, what you could be, you're doing a disservice to the people that believe in you, to your kids, to your wife, to your family, to your whoever believes in you. You're doing a disservice to them. Like, say like me, I'm 29. Like, you've been saying you wanted to be better for 29 years, and you haven't done it yet. Let's just say for anybody, whatever age someone out there listen to, and you haven't done it yet. So like, sometimes you believe in you is probably not going to work because you've been with you for the last 29 years. So it's like sometimes you have to find something bigger, whether it's your kids or whatever. Just think about it. If you guys have kids, just think about it. You waking up fucking late every morning or whatever, and your kid's just sitting there watching you lay there sleeping, like not aspiring to be more, and you're just sitting there not doing nothing, and then just say you die, and that's the last image they have of you, of a fucking worthless person. So it's like, I think that's what motivates you, just to not be that person, I think.